Hello friends, welcome back to our video. In today's video we are going to learn how to create YouTube channel very easily. So let's get started. So first of all, open YouTube application and sign in your Google account. Enter your email password to sign in. Now click on Profile on top corner. Select your channel. Create name for your YouTube channel. And done, your channel created successfully. Now add photo and description to your channel. Now start to upload videos. So that was in today's video. Hope it helped. Meet you in next video. Bye.